Ronaldo.
Messi.
Oh, here we go. Why Messi?
It's Messi, 100%.
Why?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
Messi.
I just think Ronaldo, he does it on the big stage in the Champions League and that.
It's Messi, 100%. It's Messi.
Ignore it.
Messi can do things no one else can do.
Yeah, but Ronaldo's going to score any big moment. You need a goal. He's
So does
scoring, mate.
Messi.
That's it.
So does
He's not,
Messi.
though.
Yes, he does.
He's not.
What's yours?
He's not. Next one.
Instagram.
Instagram, yeah. Twitter's not the nicest place, is it?
Nah, Twitter's got a bit about it though.
Yeah, it's got a bit of banter about it, but...
I think for me, yeah, I use Instagram way more.
Yeah, same.
Shower.
A shower, yeah.
Shower.
Nah, I prefer bath. Me.
No way. I can imagine you having a bath.
Just a hot bath.
Yeah,
And
I can imagine you...
just chill in the bath like half an hour. It's nice. Like.
I haven't had a bath for like 10 years, probably.
Really?
Yeah.
Fury.
Yeah,
Always.
Fury, yeah. Yeah, he's the man.
Yeah.
Fury,
Yeah.
100%.
Fury. I hope he knocks AJ out.
Yeah, I hope they fight. That'd be it. It'd be a good fight, but Fury's the man.
Fury.
AJ.
Nah.
Yeah.
He gets sparked in a scrap. You don't get anything, but he goal. He gets it taken off him. Goal.
I don't think you can beat scoring, can you?
I don't know. I like a system
Yeah,
on the
it is
scoring, to be fair.
consistent.
Goal, every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, gotta be greedy.
Go on.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate for me.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate all day. Judging by his haircut, I think he's going to say shoes, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm going new shoes, mate. It's pretty simple in my hair, like, so it's like just a tennis ball, like.
A fresh pair of trainers.
Fresh trim is the best, bro.
Definitely not monkeys. We've got a bit of a story, man. Here's a thing, right? We were up the gym rock. Monkey attacked Dan, basically, and I've never seen someone so scared in their life.
It was traumatic, I can't lie.
It wasn't.
You are? Cawl, sir.
I don't know what Cawl is.
Cawl.
What's Cawl?
I'd have to say Welsh cakes, me. Don't mind a bit of Welsh cakes with butter on and that.
Yeah, Welsh cakes as well. Homemade ones, like. Sgorio. Yeah, gotta be.
Gotta be.
Can't beat my today.
Oh, it's gotta be Sgorio, mate. What
Sorry.
else, mate? Come on. He's done his own 10 0.
Can't beat my today.
Sgorio 100%.
There's no debate. It's
No
like,
debate.
It's just
no
certain.
debate.
Done.